Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today I am doing the braidless sewing method. This is my first time doing this method compared to the regular or the traditional sewing method I'm used to. This is quite easy, looks more natural and flat, okay? The hair I'm using is from Curlsqueen. They sent two thick bundles of their kinky straight hair in 18-inch plus micro link two kits that I need for the installation was sent, and other things I've showed already. Also, the two bundles is enough for a full head because the two bundles are equal to 3 to 4 bundles that you get out there, guys. It is really full and thick, okay? I'm going for a center part look, but I also want her to style the hair in a ponytail if you want to, and also do an all back if you want to. So I'm going to take out a natural hair to cover the kinky straight hair after installing it. So I'm just going to take out both from the back and the sides, just all around, okay? So she can put in a ponytail when she wants to put in a ponytail. Also, guys, check my description box for link to the hair, and also use my discount code which will be in the description box as well to save some extra cash while you're getting this unit. And do not forget to like this video, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you tried the braidless sewing method before and what was your experience like. And if you've not tried it before, let me know in the comment section if you will try it. And also watch to the end of this video to see the end result or the final look of this unit to further convince you to try this unit, because guys, like, it was it was really easy. It gives me that really flat look compared to the traditional sewing method, and it has this more natural look when you compare it to the traditional sewing method, and it's really comfortable, okay? Like, less tension on the hair. This will promote hair growth, guys, okay? So this is really, like, I love the method, okay? I love this method a lot. You guys should try it out and let me know in the comment section what your take on this is.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, I changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? Push me away. I wanna stay, baby. Push me away, yeah. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. I caught feelings, I got those feelings. I caught feelings, I got those feelings. I caught feelings, I got those feelings. Right now I'm living in a daydream. It won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got feelings, I got these feelings. Those feelings, I got feelings, I got those feelings. Got these feelings. Dame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
running back to my old life, but it leaves it burning. Speaking tongues in my head, yeah, that's the way you want it. She called me baby, you're not wasting time, but how could I let her go? Don't you know I might adore you? I'm gonna make the time move slower. We could do whatever, yeah, sun's out, make the clouds move over. We be alone now, and my thoughts are frozen, frozen. Yeah. Seeing pixels in slow mo, in a weightless motion. She called me crazy and I'm wasting time. Easy, don't leave me now. Yeah, for the sky and all this diamond. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sun's out, make the clouds move over. We can do whatever, yeah. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sun's out, make the clouds move over.
After installing the unit, I'm going to straighten a natural hair and the kinky straight hair up and just show you guys how sleek it is, guys. After straightening this unit up, like, it came out so sleek and really really beautiful, guys. Like, I wasn't even expecting it to be this gorgeous, okay, but this is what it is after straightening it up. Really really fine. And I'm also going to coil this unit up just to show you guys that you can wear this kinky straight hair in a kinky straight hair form, like in its natural form, and also you can straighten it up to get a sleek look, and you can also coil it to get a wavy look, and whichever coil pattern that you want to coil it to. Okay, now this is a must have. Okay, like I said before, all details will be in my description box for you guys to grab this unit, and also use my discount code, which will be in my description box for you guys. Now this is how gorgeous the coils are. I'm also going to put this in a ponytail, like I said at the beginning of this video, that you can style it in a ponytail, an all back, or a center part look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda.